Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I made a little auction buy today. Actually, didn't even know I'd won it. City of Midlothian was selling off some of their stuff, and I got one of their extrication tools. Has a Honda 5.5 horse engine, which I have to get a tank for. It's got a crack down there. You can see it dripping gas out, so that's got to be fixed. But it's got two sets of hoses, red and blue, go with the according valves. Comes with the cutters, which are massive. Ram, which is not a real big one, but we'll see how far it extends out here in a minute. And then the spreader, which it'll pinch or spread actually. I got this mainly for this, so that I can use it when I'm fabricating. If I need to bend something or squish something, I can do it. I'll probably use this too. I might even use the cutter. I'm not 100% sure yet. Now, I checked the oil. It had oil in it, had hydraulic fluid. The only thing it didn't have, obviously, was gas because it all leaked out. I do have a little gas in it, and I'm going to run it, and we're going to try these cutters. Well, I'll find something to cut and see how well it does. And it's no worry of a fire. If anything, the gas is just going to wash off these valves. So let's get this thing cranked up and see what it'll do. So yeah, everything works. The spreader, the cutter. I don't know if I'll use that much. You never know, if I got to cut some steel cable, it'll do it. And that ram, which has one extension you can take out, I think it'll actually be able to be used on like that bucket I had in there that I had to spread apart. I think with this out, it'll actually be short enough that I can actually use it. So, and we know to lift the truck up in a bind. That'd be good as a little hydraulic jack. The plan is to mount that engine assembly on the truck permanent, and obviously after I fix the gas tank in it. And then I still want to put a crane on the truck, and I'll put a set of quick connects on and a valve, because I'll have to use my own valve on it. So I'll have the crane, and I could even have a two-way valve. I could have it raise and lower and extend in and out, because all this does, it just turns on the flow, and it's rated for 10,500 psi, so it'll easily run a crane. But yeah, like I said, plan is possibly mount it here. I don't know. I'm probably going to move stuff around on the truck again. The compressor and tank will probably stay there. Welder's going to stay there. And I'm probably going to move the cooler in the toolbox for sure. And maybe put the vise over here in this corner. And if I do that, I may mount that over there. It's too big to put inside one of the toolboxes, but that would be plenty of hydraulic power to run just about anything I need. The only other alternative would be whenever I get the PTO pump, PTO and the hydraulic pump, make the crane run off of that. But then I got a lot of plumbing to do and don't really feel like doing that. So as it sits right now, guys, that looks like that's it for this video. The setup works. I got it for way less than retail would be on this setup. Of course, a lot of these cities and fire departments are selling these because now they have the cordless electric ones that run off of like the big heavy duty DeWalt, like 60 volt batteries. And I talked to the assistant fire chief today when I picked this up, and he said they're actually more powerful than these. Now I don't know as far as speed, if they're faster, slower, I don't know. But it's kind of cool that the electric ones are better than this, and you don't have the maintenance. They don't have to worry about a gas engine, or like this one where the fuel tank's cracked, hydraulic leaks and any of that. This is just all in one little self-contained unit, and like he said, there's no tether. So that's going to be it for now, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do, go head over to my channel, like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you got any cool ideas I could use some of this stuff on, let me know, and I will see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Later.